For anybody starting a new business, the challenge is just the learning curve. Like, there's so much stuff to learn, or for me, coming from an accountancy background, learning all the different tools that you can use and the apps for this, the marketing, there's so many different things to learn. And it can get quite confusing at times. It would be hard on your own to do it, and I think that's the wonderful thing about this sort of partnership, is that we've kind of come together and we've got a similar work ethic, and having someone to have your back and to support you is just like amazing, and to do that with somebody that you get on so well with is just like gold dust. So
it can be pretty overwhelming and pretty intense, but I think having someone to support you through thinking through problems and solutions, like every single day we're solving people's jigsaw puzzles in their houses, figuring out where things go, figuring out what disappears from their house, how we get rid of that, or donate it, pay it forward, find a solution to, maybe help another person in need, and how we might organise a space. Like, having someone to bounce that off is actually really, really important.
It is.
And I think, both of us probably value the fact that we now both have a team in each other, whereas I think it'll be a lonely journey having your own little business. And
we have to work really hard in the work that we do, because you cannot leave a client with stuff all over the place. So we're always working to a really tight time schedule to get the work done. And, there is a lot of running around behind the scenes to deliver what we do to clients. So getting all the products and the stock in the car.
That's just it. I think some people might think that you just rock up and you just do the job, but to get to that point, we meet the client, understand their needs and their goals and the vision they have for their life, but then there's a huge amount of planning behind the scenes before we get there. There's purchasing stock if we need to, rocking up on the day and doing the work. At the end of it, taking away their things and giving them to other people, or disposing them however we need to. We'd like to be really responsible about that as well.
And the other thing I think was just around the customer service aspect. So ultimately we're there to make that woman's life better and easier. So we do I think both of us kind of go above and beyond to make sure that the work that we've done meets the criteria, that they're happy with it, that it looks amazing. I think that's both of us probably through our corporate experiences. It's really, really important to us that we deliver a really top rate service for that client.